Hello and welcome. This is practice video on how to use editable document as submission format. All right, the bulk of work here is actually copy and pasting. That is majorly what we'll be doing today. But if you do not know, how are you going to do it? The first thing here is you get your manuscript ready on the left hand side of the monitor, and the editable document or the submission format for any journal. It can be for a particular office activity or anything, just an editable document. And in this case, we are using this document as a submission template for a journal, IJMMS. So you highlight from the left and you highlight the text you want, copy, then paste on the right on the document. Once you click on it, you will be able to paste anything on it, and that's all. It will automatically vanish and then be replaced with whatever you want to paste on it. So that's majorly what we'll be doing. You'll highlight your text, copy, Ctrl V on the text on the particular field you want to edit. So majorly that is what we'll be doing. All right, so also for the author's name, the email address, and I'll just pick the word per the instruction on the field. That is majorly per instruction on the field. Pick the text and then paste. If the field says only name, just copy that name, paste it there. If it says only email, copy only the email and paste it there. That's very important. So, of course, the field also explains what should be pasted on it. Of course, following the guideline, submission guideline for the journal. So, read through, take time to read through the text written there, except if it's gibberish, except if it's rubbish. But take time to read the instruction on the field before you paste anything there. So that is how you do it. All right, so let's note this. Going to the introduction field and methodology and results, you will paste everything at once. It doesn't matter how bulky a field is in the document. Just do as the field instructs. So we are copying from the introduction to the results field without tables, because of course the submission guideline to authors for the Integrated Journal of Medicine and Medical Sciences states that you should put all your tables after your references, that is beneath the references. Just label accordingly, table 1, table 2, figure 1, figure 2, put everything after your references. So it doesn't matter how bulky the field is, just follow the instruction and paste. Now, you would notice that for this introduction field and the methodology and the results, the columns, we have 2 columns there. Do not worry, just paste. It will take the form. Just paste and click on the document once and then do the needful. Thank you. All right, now going to the table, just paste, copy your table from the left document from your manuscript, then just click the field once and paste. Just as you've seen there, that is how it's going to appear. As simple as that, effortlessly.